Welcome to a new generation of hyperconnectivity. Pioneered by Airgain, the AirgainConnect platform combines the functionality of a cellular modem with a high-performance antenna system, eliminating cable signal loss from the router in the trunk to the roof. All designed into one rugged, sleek, and low-profile form factor that reduces installation time and costs. Utilizing highly complex integration, AirgainConnect remarkably increases coverage and throughput while enhancing building penetration, providing connectivity like never before. Our highly innovative architecture substantially reduces RF power loss, enabling up to 10 times the power and 2 times greater cellular reach. AirgainConnect delivers significantly more reliable connectivity for public safety vehicles, enterprise fleets, and fixed wireless applications, reducing network blind spots and ensuring dependable communications for critical services. Whether it's helping first responders protect citizens, keeping mobile workstations connected in the field, or ensuring consistent access to high-quality broadband services, the AirgainConnect platform's patented technology is designed to keep you in coverage longer, for LTE today and for 5G tomorrow. For your critical communications needs, stay connected with AirgainConnect. Visit Airgain.com today.